Look at him eating. What's going on, everybody? I'm reshooting my intro for today's video. You can see the sunset behind me. I'm not going to put an outro on this video. What you're about to watch is the most epic topwater blow up redfish inshore fishing I've ever done. I didn't expect today to be a topwater day, but it was a topwater day. Broad sunlight, wind blowing, heavy chop on the water, boom, boom, just redfish. So enjoy the video. I will see you guys on the next one. Thank you for subscribing. Share my videos out. Please tell your friends about me. We need to grow the channel, and I am going full bore. I'm almost done with moving. Let's get back to it, guys. So enjoy that Chesapeake Bay sunset. And today was redfish and no speckled trout. So maybe some crabs. See y'all. But y'all, look at that. I don't know if the camera's picking that audio up. Something is herding those mullet. Sound like a person playing in the water. Look at it. Look at that. What in the what? That fish came right at me. I didn't even realize he had ate the bait. He's swimming right at the boat. I can't get any pressure on him. That's a big old redfish. Oh, when he hit it, I couldn't see the bait. I couldn't catch up to the bait. And then as he was coming to the boat, I couldn't put any pressure on him. He was just coming straight at me. Oh, what in the world? Had a hit on the Miradine. Probably was a little baby. A little baby is what it felt like. I don't know how he didn't get hooked though. Oh my Lord. Redfish. If I let it sit, they come up and try to destroy it. Cajun sleigh ride, baby. Yes, y'all saw that strike, boy. Just gotta keep him pinned this time. And out of that grass. Fighting these jokers on bait casting gear is pretty rough. I like the bait casting gear, it's easier to control the top water, but fighting these fish on it is hard work. Back my drag off a little bit. Whew, shoulder burning. Gotcha. That's a heavy one. Whew. Woo-hoo-hoo, got my first one. I figured it out, guys. Thing about my net that I absolutely hate is that treble hooks. Now I'm done for like 10 minutes because I got to get the hooks out of the net every single time. Look at that behemoth. I do not like using stringers in saltwater, but today we're going to try it. Don't ask me why. That should be self-explanatory. Okay, so in the time it took me to get that bait out the net, I got blown all the way out into the middle of the marsh. So we're gonna paddle back over here and we're gonna throw that topwater again. Oh my goodness. Topwater fish is the lick, man. I would throw this Mirrodine. I'm terrified to fight a fish that size on that bait. Twitch, twitch, sit. Twitch, twitch, sit. Sit. Twitch, twitch. Walk the doggy. Boy, while I was paddling, I saw red pushing. Oh, it was pushing. That looked like a redfish about to blow up on my bait. Ooh. Gotcha, buddy. Get away from that grass some. That's on a Strike King Trout Magic. With some Procure Flounder Pounder on it. Shoot, Gambler paddle tail in that chicken on a chain color. Nothing you can do with these fish, man. You just gotta let them go. If they want to go, you gotta let them go. I hate that that boat is seeing me fight this fish. Ah. Yeah, baby. Right in the face. This is a bait that I just found this year, and I am really in love with it. I'll show you this thing really quick. So it's a fish head jig with a willow underspin and a good hook. That's the thing, it's got a really good hook. And there's that gambler paddle tail. Really good hook. This wind has gotten to be brutal. 15 sustained out of the northeast. East, northeast, mostly east, but it's sustained at least 15 miles an hour. And that is brutal conditions for kayak fishing in open water. Well. I'm out here in the open, in the sun. It's super shallow, so all I could think to throw was the top water, and I just had a slot red come up and try to eat it. And that's a small speckled trout. Came over here figuring I might have some windbreak from the land mass, and look at that houndfish and the trees, but it's not as windy, but it's still windy. Good God Almighty! Good God Almighty! Good God! Is that a shark or a redfish? Good Lord! I mean, I think it's a red. Honestly, the body's big enough, it looked like a shark. Good gosh, in the sun too. What do I have? No, I think it's a red. I think it's a big ass red. Pardon the French. Whoosh, hardy. Let me put this paddle up. I am not gonna need you. Sleigh ride time right here. Whew. Good night. That's an overslot. Got to be. Holy cow! Wowzers! Wowzers! Oh, I'm making sure my camera's on. Yes, y'all saw that heat from that monster. Let me get my bearings. Come back here. I want him to come back, but I can't gain any line on him. I'm just applying pressure right now. Everything I gain, he just takes it. Oh, Lord have mercy. Top water too, middle of the day, broad sunlight. And he is just, God, he's just peeling. God, look at him eating. He's just eating line off the reel right now. All that commotion is not good. This is a very sharky part of this area right here. I can feel him tail slapping my line. That ain't good either. Cajun sleigh ride, baby. This might be my biggest redfish ever. Give me some line back. Woo, shorty. I got biting flies on me. What? Yeah. Oh, arm is cramping. Shake it out, shake it out, shake it out. We're gonna shake it out, guys. We're gonna shake it out and keep going. Just keeping pressure on them. Is that a shark? No, I see a spot. That's a redfish. Yeah. Good gosh. no quit in these fish, man. If y'all have never caught one, I'm trying to put, I don't want to pop my leader, but I'm trying to make him pull the kayak. I'm trying to tire him out. Come on, baby. You're getting tired. I can see it. Oh yeah, PB red. Shoot. I should have got the net out earlier. Oh, not hooked good either. Oh, look at the net bend. Yes, in the boat. Get into the boat. Get in the boat. Oh my God. Woo. Look at that fish, boy. Oh, top two. On top. Oh, surface. Oh, yes I did. Woo. One hook, guys. Hook was pretty good, but still only one hook on that YoZuri Top Knock. Ooh. Now it's not an overslot. Not an overslot. That's a hefty redfish though. I don't know, it might not be the PB, but it's a limit. Great day. Oh, we about to eat good. Woo! Might make your head blow off. How about we change the leader on this rod? We change the leader and we upgrade the leader size. Holy guacamole. The battery doesn't have much life left, but it might die in the middle of a fight if I cook another fish. I want y'all to see something. All right, check this out. See all these flies? All those flies are biting flies. That's off. I sprayed my legs with off to the point of them being wet. But everything, all this, there's one, there's two, three. They're trying to land on my legs, but they just, yo. Who has ever seen biting flies like that? But the camera cut off. Goodbye, sugar. Hey, why are you upside down? There you go. A little shocked. Were you shocked I let you go?